In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 with Supabase Auth. We'll be doing this directly inside Base44, and the process is quick once you know where everything is. The goal here is to add the Supabase connector so Base44 can access your Supabase project information in a secure, read-only way. As you follow along, make sure you're signed into your Base44 workspace so you can access the settings area without interruption. To get started, go to Base44 and open your workspace. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left side of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account and workspace controls. From there, click on your profile icon or profile area. This will open the menu where you can manage your workspace settings and connected services. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just pause for a second and make sure the profile menu is fully expanded. Next, click on Settings. This is the main place where Base44 lets you configure workspace level options, including integrations and connectors. After the settings page opens, look for the connectors section and click into it. This is where you can manage external tools and services that Base44 can work with. Once you're on the connectors page, click Add Connector. This opens the connector library where you can search for the service you want to link. In the search field, type in Supabase. Searching helps narrow the list quickly, especially if your workspace supports multiple available connectors. When the results appear,